What's up, guys? How's everybody out there doing? Pandora, the postcard diva here. Hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor. Smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Welcome back. Hey, happy Saturday. Good morning. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be in the world out there. All right, let's get into this. Back again with a review on a couple things I got going on here. We've been talking about. We are going to be talking about real quick here Home Business Academy and My Legion Secret. I've been doing videos showing you guys it's a tool that I'm using to help promote the Home Business Academy. All right, and then of course I'm using the Home Business Academy as the program that I'm promoting. I'm sending emails every day to business opportunity seekers to check out this business. How to start your $25 digital business all in one. You get AI automated tools, traffic, coaching, and training 5 days a week. No guesswork here. You don't have to guess, well, what am I supposed to do? I'm confused. You will not have that over here. Now, if you haven't checked out my other projects to see what I've got going on, make sure you go here to www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right? Peruse around. Now, FTC disclaimer. Average affiliates can expect to earn $346 with this business. We can't make any income claims or any income guarantees because it takes work and effort and commitment to get results. So you have to do the work. If you want to get the full earnings disclosure, go to income.thehba.net. Check it out. All right, let's get into this. Let's go here real quick here. And we're in our HBA Let's Go app. It pops up. It gives me a quote. I love when it does this. It comes already loaded with quotes, but you can also add your own quotes in here, and they will alternate and rotate for you. All right, so check it out. Here's the one that pops up for today. Very few of us are authorities on the truth. About the closest that any of us can get is what we hope is the truth, or what we think is the truth. That's why the best approach to truth is probably to say, it seems to me. And that's by the author Jim Rohn, okay? Some of these authors, I recall getting introduced to them when I first got started in network marketing. Network marketing is very keen on authors' motivation type of information. So I remember hearing about Jim Rohn, Napoleon Hill, and all those guys way back, probably in the 90s. So great quotes that they have. So anyway, we're in it. So let's go here. Let's click on in this thing, and it's going to take me over into the Home Business Academy. The whole system. This is the system. I love it. It's all in one. It's a whole total app on your desktop, and then you have that same app. It looks the exact same way. It's optimized for your smartphone. Okay, so everything you see on your desktop, you can see the exact information on your smartphone. Now, it may be formatted a little bit different, but it's the same information, which is great, because some websites you go to, when you see it on your phone, you got to turn your phone horizontal, right? You don't have to do that here with HBA. It's optimized. You can just hold your phone upright and just read it like you normally would on a tablet or a computer. Pretty cool. So loving the system. So I'm using this, again, Home Business Academy. One thing about it is universal. You can use this as your go-to training, coaching, how to get traffic, how to get conversions, the university. This can be your university to promote any business. They're going to teach you, train you, get the skills here, and then you can apply it so that you can promote any business, not just Home Business Academy, right? You may have another business opportunity that you're stuck in, and you're like, oh my goodness, if I could just get some training. I really love this program, but I don't know how to market it. I need some coaching. You could come here and make this your university, your academy for training, and take what they teach you here, apply it, and it will help you build any business that's out there, network marketing, MLM, whatever, affiliate marketing. This is the coaching training platform, all right, for any business. All right, so we're using this, of course. I am all in, so I'm taking advantage of everything that they got here. But what we're talking about today is how I'm using it, and this is the program I'm promoting when I send my emails out in the My Lead Gen secret system, which I'm getting ready to show you. So over here, right, under premium, there's 4 products over here, by the way. You can get started over here and earn residual income. Less Gold is one of the products. It's $10 a month. The Funnel Builder is $25 a month. The Premium is $125 a month. And then if you want your one-time payments, earning $400 to $800 commissions, you get the Financial Literacy Academy course. You resell that, and you earn $400 to $800 commissions. And they pay out every Thursday, this company. Okay, you don't have to worry about setting up payment processors. They're going to pay you like clockwork, even on a holiday. I was paid on Christmas Day. Okay, I didn't have to do anything in regard to requesting commission. I got an email saying, hey, you got paid. That's it. All right, so you can earn over here anywhere from $8 a month to $120. To 20 and 100. So $128 a month per customer residually, as long as they keep their membership. And then you earn $400 to $800 commissions on this course if you sell that course. All right, and everything you need is in this system here. Okay, now, so the premium tools is what I'm using, the prompt AI, okay, for what we're talking about today, okay, because I'm sending my emails out over here. I'm going to show you in the My Lead Gen secret. So I come over here and my prompt write AI, I go in here and I ask it for what I want, and it spits it out, and I can copy and paste it, and I save my prompts over here, and I go over here and I just copy paste, okay. So we're promoting this page here. This is what we're sending people to, the all-in-one page. All right, where it's talking about making $20 and $100 commissions per customer every month. And they pay out every week, okay? Once they pay out, so you sign somebody up this week, next week you get paid on them. And then when they pay again the next month, you earn again. So that's what I like about this. It's not just a one-time payment from your customer. You're going to be getting the residual month after month after month. Okay? So this is the page I'm sending folks to because they are already a lead. Okay? We're getting 200 leads a day. And I'm sending them over to this page. Okay? So we come over here. We've already done it for today. So I just wanted to show you guys. We already did it. But we're going to come here because I'm going to show you. Let's refresh. It might need to be signed in again. Let's see. Hang on. Okay, there we go. All right, so we're in here, right? This system right here. But let's come over here real quick. Oh, I'm out of my page. Here we go. This system, this is one of the pages you're going to get to. They give us a few pages that we can promote this. So you can get 100 leads a day, guys. Okay? Just by signing up with the system. It's $30 a month. That's $1 a day. And it's $30 one time to set it up. So you would actually pay today $60. 30 of it is to set up your system. And the other 30 is to get your leads cranking, and you can get access to them immediately. So that's going to give you 3,000 leads a month. Do the math on that. Business opportunity seekers that have raised their hand and said, I'm interested in making money online, working from home, the make money online niche. Okay, that's what we're promoting. That's what we're into, the affiliate business that I'm in. how to make money online, right? So you're getting 3,000 leads a month that you can send an email to once a day to those folks, to your offer. Now, when you sign up one person, if you just get one person that signs up with you and say, you know what, I think I want that. I'm going to spend my 60 and I'm going to get that system too. Well, then they're going to double it. They're going to start sending you 200 leads a day. Okay, as long as that member, or you get one member that maintains, you're going to get 200 leads a day. Okay, so it's $1 a day, guys. All right. So this is the system that I'm talking about. All right, and this is one of the pages. And everything is built in. It's a emailing platform, so you don't have to worry about autoresponder or any of that with this. It's already built in. Okay, so let's go over here. And like I said, I've already sent my email out for today. I like to send it earlier in the morning. So, but let's go here because I want to just show you this is the real deal. Number one, I've told you guys I was in this and I've been gone for 3 years, but I still had 1 or 2 people as an affiliate in here. That's why I'm able to get 200 leads a day. Because think about it, I've been gone for 3 years. I thought I was going to start out with 100, but lo and behold, logging in, I had, as long as you can maintain one person, you're going to get 200. Okay, so out the gate, I started back with 200 leads. Now, of course, everything that I had in place is still here. So I still got 120,000 leads in here. And I'm going to start emailing, adding them in next week just to see. Because most of us, we keep our emails, right? So some of these folks, the emails may still be valid that they use. So we're going to play with it and see what happens. But anyway, we got 200 leads today. I sent my email out today. They have an optional, you don't have to get this, but they have an optional deal here when you first sign up. If you want to get their email swipes, I did this years ago when I first signed up. You get 30 email swipes. I can't remember the price. You'll know when you click the link to go ahead and get signed up. Go to coffeeandcoins.info. It's going to give you that option. I can't remember whether it was $30. I forgot. But you can get that if you like, and then you can just copy and paste these into copy and paste them and go ahead and send your offer out. If not, guys, if you start with me, I will give you, because I'm using my Home Business Academy over here. I'm using this system right here. I've got tons. When I tell you over here, I've created so many email swipes and I'm doing it continuously. So I've got plenty and plenty I can share with you. I can send you emails. So that's no problem. So I'm just letting you know, you don't have to get this one if you don't want to. If you don't have the extra 30, if you're saying, look, I got 60, but I just don't have the other 30. I think it's 30 to get it. I'll be happy to send you an email with email swipes. I'll send you some. All right. So anyway, it's a mailing system right here, as you can see. All right, and then all you would do is select. You would come here and select. Let's say if I want to do it, of course it's not going to let me because I've already done it. But if I want to select all my leads, okay, so this is my total, 124,200 leads that I'll be able to send to. See, it's telling me 20 hours because I did it already this morning. But I would literally just be able to go in here. This is what you'd be able to do. Select all and send your email out. Copy and paste. I'm using, like I said, I'm using the HBA system over here. Okay. And I'm just coming over here and I'm putting the subject. You see, this is the last one I did finally a system that makes sense. That's what I use as my subject. But I just put the subject in there and we paste, take this out. All this will come out, right? You just take it out and you paste your email. See right here it says use my master resale, my master swipes. See, I've already purchased them. I could do, let's see what it says. See, it takes me back there and I could insert that in there, right? Import. if you purchase that, look, it just pops right in there for you. You see that? Boom. Okay. So if you buy theirs, it just pops in there. You just insert it. So it's pretty cool. So anyway, you would just do that and you would, boom, hit submit and it will go out to all your leads. Now we've already sent it as I stated earlier. So right here so far, 62 folks have opened it up. That's 3,500 that went out. Again, it's all about exposure. You want to get eyeballs. That's the name of the game. The name of the game is marketing, getting eyeballs to your offer. The results will come, okay, as long as you remain consistent. Don't worry, don't focus most, and that's because you're new. I've been there. Because you're focusing on sales on the front end versus getting the work done, right? Income producing activities, and then let the sales come on the back end, right? So just focus on marketing, getting eyeballs to your opportunity, okay? Now, this system comes with, see, promotional tools. So they give you 4 different pages. Like this page is one of them that I was showing you here. This is one of those pages, okay? So they give you 4 pages that you can promote this opportunity with, okay, that you can put it out there. And then you come in, and of course it shows your commissions here and your downline. Now, check it out. You're going to get $5 a month, all right, for folks on your first level, $4 a month for folks on your second level, $3 a month for folks on your third level, $2 a month for folks on the fourth level, and $1 a month for people on level 5. All right, that's how this thing goes. Then they also offer you $100 for every 5 customers. Okay, see, it says here, you read that correct. For every 5 paid new customers you refer in 1 week, within a week, you earn $100 bonus, and there's no limit. You can refer 25 new paid members in a week, and you earn $500, and they do pay out. You request it in here whether you want to get paid via PayPal, check, or Bitcoin, and they will send it out. All right. I had some commissions that was sitting in here for 3 years, of course, because I wasn't even doing the business anymore, so I wasn't, checking for anything. And lo and behold, there was $50 sitting there. And when I got back started, I requested it, and they immediately sent it out. Okay. So they do that. All right, so you can earn, again, you will receive 100 to 200 leads per day, okay? But as soon as you get signed up, guys, you're going to get 100 leads off the rip, okay? And then when you refer one person that remains active, you start getting 200 leads per day. See right here, it says as long as one of your referrals remain active, you get 200. All right, so go check it out. Again, you can come over here to www.coffeeandcoins.info. You're going to see the Home Business Academy right here. It says $25 digital business. You click that, or this image, because Home Business Academy pays out 80% commissions on every product. Okay, so you can do that, and you get signed up there. And then you can also come down here and get your mailing system right here. Just scroll down when you go to coffeeandcoins.info. You're going to see this button right here. It says send me 100 leads a day. Click that, or click this image right here. All right, and get your system so that you can mail, okay, without paid traffic, without any autoresponder. That's what you're going to get with the My Lead Gen secret. All right, guys, so that's what we're doing, and that's what we did for today. Just want to keep you updated on that. All right. That's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.